Advice I'd give a future student would be never leave your assignments and your studies till the last minute. Start it as soon as you can because you might never realize how long it is.
It's okay to ask people for help. Nobody is going to judge you for needing it. You can ask anybody and they'll help you.
Of course, coming to a new place is always scary, and that is totally okay. That is the fun of the experience.
I would suggest you live on campus. Most of my friends are from my same dorm, and I feel like it gives a good bonding space with your roommates, and those friendships stay for a long time.
I'm born and raised in Buffalo, but I decided to make the choice, live on campus to kind of get the college experience because making bonds through dorming is really important, I think, for a lot of college students.
My advice for a future student would be to say yes to every opportunity they're presented with. There's a lot of ways that you can make connections.
When you first come here, be extroverted. Definitely go out of your comfort zone. When I came here, I was really nervous to talk to people, and I didn't really get involved in any of the clubs. But moving forward, I realized that getting to know people is really, really important. So say yes to new things and have fun.